What time is it? That's right, it's Fringe time. It's going to be here till May 29th, so make sure you get out there and enjoy all this fun. Do you need to relax more? Well, check out our amazing coloring book and you could have a more beautiful day. Check the link in the description. Welcome back, Localtarians. It's Amanda and I'm here for the Local Love Report. And of course, this is for May 20th, 21st, and 22nd. That's your Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And what are you going to do about it? We're going to go out and have some fun and I don't know, maybe hit the Fringe, guys. Let's get out there and enjoy our community and have an amazing week. So let's get started with the weekend though. Friday, 9 a.m. Orlando International Orchid Show and Plant Sale on Facebook Live. And we're going to put that link down in the description so that you can check it out. 10 a.m. MegaCon at Orange County Convention Center, $22 and up. And that's going to be going on until May 22nd. 12 p.m. Orlando Tattoo Convention at the Florida Hotel and Conference Center at the Florida Mall. Going on from now until May 22nd. Make sure you get out there and check out some of these amazing tattoos. 4 p.m. on Friday, Wolverine, Lives, and Deads at MegaCon and Orange County Convention Center. 5 p.m. opening reception, Rainier Lines, When There Is No Frontier at Museum of Art in DeLand. $0 to $10 to enjoy this amazing exhibit. 5:30 p.m. Gelatin Magazine Photography Show going on at Little Indies. Come on out and enjoy an interesting afternoon. 6:30 p.m. Fringe Festival, the Mockingbird News. That's going to be going on in the Green venue for $12, and it'll be going on now until May 29th. You can get all your Fringe information, guys, at orlandofringe.org. 7 p.m. Fringe Festival, Spill the Tea at Rock on the Green. All right, guys, $8. You can come out and rock it out. 7:30 p.m. Silent Disco, 80s versus 90s Glow Party at Peaceful Peacock, Orlando. And last but not least, for your Friday night, Pops Bops Night DJ Dance Party featuring DJ Rocks, Exavage at West End Trading Company. All right, guys, if you need more for your weekend like we do, make sure you go ahead and check out our daily event posts on our Local Love Orlando Facebook page. And of course, you can go, as I mentioned, to the orlandofringe.org website if you want to find out what the schedules for all the amazing shows that they have. And believe me, there's a lot more than I could ever fit in my list. So make sure you check it out. They've got merch. They've got information about volunteering. So you should definitely head over to that website and see what is going on at Fringe this year. Lots of great shows, lots of art, lots of things for the kids. It really is a win-win, and obviously it is one of the best people watching experiences ever. Want great food? Don't worry, they got you covered there too. Amazing things that you can get to, and you don't have to pay a thing to get into the food area and enjoy those Wisconsin cheese curds, you know what I'm saying? Or fried Oreo if that's more your style. Make sure you check it out and enjoy a wonderful day out and about in your community. And don't forget, guys, to ring the bell and subscribe here to Local Love. We do this for you guys every single week. Make sure you check out our other great videos as well. All right, guys, let's get into the heat of the weekend. Saturday. All right, guys, 9 a.m. Good Form Running Clinic at Track Shack. 9:30 a.m. Women's Day of Wellness 2022 in Orlando at Dimitri Park. $5 and up, and ladies, you can come out and find your wellness. 11:30 a.m. Symphony Storytime Series, A Tree Full of Monkeys at the Plaza Live. $10 to come into this great musical story time and enjoy. 1 p.m. Fringe Festival, Ladies of the 80s at Orlando Fringe Gold Venue. For just $12, you can enjoy this theater production. 1 p.m. Art Germ Collectibles at MegaCon Orange County Convention Center. Come on out and check it out. 2 p.m. on Saturday, Rock the Block at the Veranda at Thornton Park. $5 to $10, and you can come in and enjoy 2 stage day fest, live music, food, and drinks, as well as arts and crafts and live painters. Gonna be lots of fun. Get out there to Thornton Park and enjoy. 3 p.m. Fringe Festival, the 10th Fringe Jam Bando at Orlando Fringe Festival Center. Come on out to the free area and enjoy an amazing array of musicians. They do keep that stage open for musicians on the daily, so make sure you check the schedule to see who else is going to be rocking the stage. 7:30 p.m. Jay and Silent Bob in Orlando. That's right, they're at the Orange County Convention Center. You can come out and get more information on seeing your favorite duo from Clerks and other characters for photo ops and other great fun. So come on out and meet up with the guys. 8 p.m. Mega After Meet at Desertland Park, Orlando. Come on out for your MegaCon after party. There's lots of them, but this one's at Desertland Park. So much fun at that place, so you certainly don't want to miss this adventure. 9:30 p.m. Boys Will Be Boys, an outrageous musical review at the Abbey. All right, guys, make sure that you get out and support your local musicians, whether you go to a live show or even if you check out their music online. You can check us out here. We have a Spotify playlist called the Local Love Sound Off playlist, and it's all local, so make sure you check it out. And don't forget to follow these musicians on Spotify as well. All right, guys, it is time to get out and about and finish off our weekend strong. Let's get into Sunday. 10 a.m. on Sunday, MegaCon at Orange County Convention Center. Come on out, early start for the day, $22 and up to get into this amazing con. And of course, this convention's going to feature all your favorites from superheroes to anime to whatever meets your fancy. Come on out and meet some of the celebrities behind this great yearly event. 10 a.m. Effects Pedal Building Volume 1 at El Camino School. Come on out and learn how to make your own pedals for your guitars, bass, etc. And learn a little something. Enjoy this great school. 10:30 a.m. Namaste for a beer yoga at Deviant Wolf Brewing. 12 p.m. Sunday Scene, Eat, Drink, and Vibe at Novelty. 2 p.m. Pump Boys and Dinettes at Winter Park Playhouse. $20 and up, going on now until June 10th. Make sure you support our local theater troupes. 2 p.m. on Sunday, Lisbeth at Harriet's Orlando Ballet Center. $50 to enjoy this musical masterpiece of dance. You're going to love it. 6 p.m. Mystery Skulls, Sue Lee playing live at The Social. $18 to come in and support these amazing musicians and have a more musical day. 7 p.m. on Sunday, Ivy Paint, Sorry Ghost, Television Supervision, Sonic Halls, Madison Moon at Stardust Video and Coffee. 8:30 p.m. Fringe Festival, The Princess Strikes Back. One woman's search for the space cowboy of her dreams at Fringe Festival's Blue Venue. And last but not least for your Sunday and your weekend, Fringe Festival, The Spider Queen at Fringe Festival's Green Venue, going on now until May 29th. All right, everybody, that is going to wrap up our week, but I really cannot stress enough how much you should not miss Fringe. There's lots going on out there, a little something for everybody. And again, you can bring the kids. You are going to walk around out in that area and just see all these performers in their finest. There is always something unique and amazing going on. Not to mention, you've got great bars to choose from, whether you just want some great beer or even if you're looking for something a little stronger, they got you covered. And of course, it is all about community, so there will be other vendors out there, and you should definitely come check them out because this is a great opportunity to see who is in your community that maybe you didn't even know was there before. And make sure when you pop in, you eat something delicious because they got all kinds of stuff lined up right there in the food area, and you're going to have a great time. Thank you guys so much, and peace. We're going to catch you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.